So today it's part 5 of linear inequation. Now so far in the previous parts we have discussed different fundamentals of linear inequation. Now in this part we will apply all those fundamental concepts that I had given already in previous parts in solving linear inequation. So let's start today's topic, solution of linear inequation. Now here I have written these three inequations. Now generally in exam you will get these type of inequation. Here you can see one linear expression is compared with another linear expression. Now here three linear expressions are compared with each other, 1, 2, 3, and here one linear expression is compared with two constant number. So by the analysis of last 20 or 25 year question paper of ICSE, I have got that generally they ask these three type of questions. So I will solve these three type of question, and with the help of this you can solve all the question of exercise given in your book. So let's take first example, and before that let me recall the rules of basic rules of inequality. Now I have discussed in the previous part there are two basic rules of inequality. First, the rule of transfer. It means if terms are transferred from one side to other side, then sign of term changes but the sign of inequality remains the same. On transferring term from one side to other side, sign of inequality does not change. Now the second important rule is when each term of inequality is multiplied with positive number or divided with positive number, then sign of inequality remains the same. But if each term of inequality are divided or multiplied by negative number, then sign of inequality reverses. So whenever you are multiplying equation, each term of equation by positive number, then keep the sign of inequality as it is. And if you are multiplying each term of inequality by negative number, then you have to reverse the sign of inequality whatever it is given. So let's start first question. Question number 1. Now here we have to solve this inequation and we have to represent the solution on number line. So given inequation is 12 plus 1 whole 5 by 6 less equal to 5 plus 3x. Now we have to solve this inequation. So let us recall, let me give some suggestion for steps to be taken. First step, make the inequation free from fraction or brackets if it is there. Now second step, bring all the term of x towards one side and the constant term which is free from x towards other side. Now after completing step 2, after simplifying step 2, in third step what you have to do, you have to remove the coefficient of x in the inequation. And after removing the coefficient of x, you will get the value of x, that will be the solution. Now next step, you have to write the solution set, and after that if it is asked that to represent the solution on number line, then you have to represent it. So these are the 5 steps that you have to follow. So here we can see that, let me write this inequation in this way, 12 plus, and this mixed fraction can be written as 6 1 6, I will 11 by 6 less equal to 5 plus 3x. Now the first step is, here 6 is given in fraction. So our first step is remove the fraction. So for removing fraction, what we will do, if I will multiply here, here x is also given. If I will multiply here by 6, this 6 will be cancelled. So to remove this fraction 6, multiply each term of this inequation by 6. So I am writing here multiplying each term by plus 6. So it will be 12 into 6 plus 6 into 11x by 6. Now since we are multiplying both sides by positive number, so according to the rule, this sign of inequality will not change. So it will remain same, less equal to, now 6 into 5 plus 6 into 3x. Now this 6 will be cancelled, fraction is removed. Now it will be 72 plus 11x less equal to 30 plus 18x. So this is our first step, removing of fraction. Now the second step is, this is our first step. This is first step. Now the second step is, we have to transfer all the term having x towards one side and the constant which is free from x towards the other side. So shift all the term of x one side. So or write 11x as it is, shift this 18x left side, minus 18x. Now according to the rule, on transferring term from one side to other side, clear, will not change the sign of inequality. So this sign of inequality will remain same. Here it will be 30 minus 72. Transfer the term 18x towards left side and 72 towards other side. Now, so it will be 11x minus 18x, it will be minus 7x less equal to, and it is minus 42. So this is our second step. This is our second step. Step 2. Shifting all the variable term one side and constant term other side. Now in the third step, what you have to do here, to get the value of x, you have to remove this minus 7. And what is minus 7? It is coefficient of variable. So now in this step we have to remove this coefficient of variable x. So we have to remove minus 7. So for removing minus 7, if I will divide this by minus 7, this minus 7 will be cancelled. So for removing, what we have to do, dividing both sides by minus 7. Dividing both sides by minus 7. So it will be minus 7x by minus 7 less equal, so according to the rule, when both sides of inequality is divided by negative number, then according to the rule of inequality, the sign of inequality reverses. It means this less equal to will become greater equal to, and here minus 42 by minus 7. So you have to be very careful at this step. Don't forget to change this, to reverse this sign of inequality if you are dividing it by negative number. Now minus 7 cancels, so here you are getting x, sign of inequality is greater equal to, and here it will be 6. So this is our third step. Step 3. In first step we have removed the fraction. Second step, shifting all the variable term one side and constant term other side, and third step, removing coefficient of x. So these are the third step. Here what we have done here, transferring terms. Now in the exam it is not necessary to this word statement, but whenever you are practicing, then write it so that your concept will be clear. In exam, this word statement is not compulsory. So here we have got the solution, but this is not the solution set. This is the solution. Now we have to write this solution in set form. So let us write this solution in set form. Solution set. So let me make the space here. Now we have to write this solution in set form. So solution set is equal to curly bracket. Now here in the equation variable is x, so write here variable x. Now such that, then write the range of variable. So x greater equal to 6, write here x greater equal to 6. Remember, this is not the sign of ratio, this is a symbol for such that x is greater equal to 6, and then write the replacement set given in the question. So in the question replacement set is given set of real number. So write here set of real number. X belongs to set of real number. This is called set builder form of solution set. Now can we write this solution set in roster form? Then answer is no, we cannot write this solution set in roster form. Why? Because here replacement set is real number. So we cannot make the list of all the real number which is greater equal to 6, because there are so many real numbers between two numbers. After 6 there are so many real numbers, so we are not infinite number of real number. So we are not able to make the list of numbers which is greater equal to 6. So that's why we are not able to write this solution set in roster form. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer. Now in the question, if it is given that represent this solution set on number line, generally it is given. So representation of this solution set on number line. So in part 3rd, I had already discussed how to represent solution set graphically. Draw a number line, put arrow at both ends. These two arrows are important. Now here the x is greater equal to 6, so this is the end point of the solution, 6. Now about the end point of the solution, at least one number right side and at least one number left side is compulsory to write. So here write here 7 and here 5. So these two numbers are compulsory to write here to show the continuation of number. Now after that you can write some more number also, it is your choice, but these two numbers are compulsory to write. Now this is called closed point. Closed point is what? X is equal to 6. That means x is equal to 6 and also x is greater than 6. So to represent the closed point, dark ring is used, solid ring is used. And now after that, all the points greater than 6 is also the solution. That means this point is also solution, this point is also solution, this point is also solution. So if I will join all these points, then we will get a line. So dark this part of the, dark this part properly, dark this part of the real number line. Not this side you have to dark. So this is the required solution. Now you can represent solution in this form also. On the number line 6, 7, 5. Now since this point is included, so for closed point draw vertical line. Now x is greater than 6, so draw line this side and set it. So this is another way to represent graphically. Now take another example and we will follow the same step. Example 2. Now we have to solve these two inequation, this inequation 3x by 5 plus 2 less than x plus 4 less equal to x by 2 plus 5, and the replacement set is x belongs to set of real number. Now question is, solve this inequation, write the solution set and represent the solution set on the number line. This is the question of ICSE 2020. This is your question it is. So here three linear expressions are compared. So actually it is a combination of two linear inequations. Now separate this linear equation in two parts. 3x by 5 plus 2 less than x plus 4. From this side it is one inequation, and from this side it is another inequation. X plus 4 less equal to x by 2 plus 5. So if three linear expressions are compared, then divide it into two linear inequation. From the left side it is one linear inequation, from the right side it is another linear inequation. Now solve these two linear equations separately and write the common solution. So put here vertical line to separate these two inequations. Now solve it. Now to solve it, first of all we have to remove fraction here. The first step is remove fraction if it is there in the question. So here 5 is in fraction, multiply both sides by 5. So it will be 3x by 5 into 5 plus 2 into 5. Now when inequality is multiplied by positive number, then sign of inequality remains the same. So it will be less than, multiply this 5x and plus it will be 4 into 5. So it is 5 cancel, 3x plus 10 less than 5x plus 20. Or now this is the first step, removing the fraction. Now in the second step what we have to do, we have to transfer all the term of x towards one side and constant term other side. So keep 3x here. Now shift 5x towards left side, minus 5x. When 5x is shifted to the left side it becomes minus 5x. Now sign of inequality remains same, because on transferring term from one side to the side there will be no change in sign of inequality. Now 20, now shift 10 that side, so this plus 10 will become minus 10. Or it is minus 2x less than 10, less than 10. So this is our second step. In the third step what we have to do, we have to remove this coefficient of x. After removing this minus 2, you will get the value of x. So to get the value of x, we have to remove this coefficient minus 2. We have to remove this coefficient minus 2. So for removing coefficient minus 2, what we have to do, divide both sides by minus 2. After dividing this by minus 2, this minus 2 will be cancelled. So dividing both sides by minus 2, minus 2x, now we have to divide it by minus 2, 10 divided by minus 2. Now what is the rule? If both sides of inequality is divided by same negative number, then sign of inequality reverses. So here it is less than, after dividing it by minus 2, the sign of inequality becomes greater. Now this step is important, you have to be very careful at this step. Now this minus 2 cancel. So here we are getting x greater than minus 5. So this is the solution of this left part. Now solve the right part. Here also fraction is given. 2 is in fraction. So first step is to remove the fractions. So for removing fraction, what we will do, we will multiply here 2. So multiply each term by 2. We cannot multiply only one term. We have to multiply each term of inequation. So multiply each term by 2. So it will be 2x plus this multiplied by 2, it will be 8, it will be x, and this will be 10. And sign of inequality remains same. Why? Because when both sides is multiplied by same positive number, then sign of inequality remains same. This is our first step. The second step is shift all the term of variable one side and constant term other side. Separate variable and constant separate. So 2x, shift this x this side, minus x less equal to 10 minus 8, or x less equal to 2. So directly we are getting value of x. Now this is solution of second part of this inequation. Now we have to take common solution of these two. So equation 1 is saying that x should be greater than minus 5, and equation 2 is saying that x should be less equal to 2. That means combining solution 1 and 2. So it will be x greater than minus 5 and less equal to 2. X is greater than minus 5 and less equal to 2. So always, so this is solution. Now we have to write it in set form. That is called solution set. Solution set. This is the solution. Now we have to write this solution in set form. So write here curly bracket, the variable used in the inequation, such that, now write the range of inequation, minus 5, x is greater than minus 5 and less equal to 2, and after that write the replacement set given in the question. So replacement set given in the question is set of real number. So this is the solution set. Can we write this solution set in roster form? Then again answer is no. We cannot write this solution set in roster form. Why? Because here the replacement set is a set of real number, and so we cannot make the list of all the real number which is lying between minus 5 and 2. Because between minus 5 and 2 there are infinite number of real number. So we are not able to write this solution set in roster form. So this is the answer. Now some student write answer in this form: x such that x less equal to 2 and it is greater than minus 5. Some student write in this way: x less equal to 2 and greater than minus 5. So mathematically it is correct, because it is also saying same thing. X is greater than minus 5 and less equal to 2. It is also x is greater than minus 5 and less equal to 2. So both are mathematically same, no doubt. Both are mathematically same. But in interval, always left number should be smaller and right number should be greater. This is the way to write the interval. So even it is mathematically correct, but don't write answer in this form. In the interval, always this left side value should be smaller and the right side value should be greater. That is the correct way to represent interval. Even this is mathematically correct, but avoid writing solution set in this form. Now we have to represent the solution set on number line. So representing solution set on the number line, draw a line, put arrow at both ends. These two arrows are important. Now here one end point is minus 5 and the other end point is 2. So write here minus 5 and 2. Now we have to write all the integers between minus 5 and 2. So write here minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, then minus 1, then 0, then 1, and then 2. Between the end point you have to write all the integers. So between minus 5 and 2, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, right? And one more thing, about the end point, at least one number right hand and one number left hand must be there. So right hand number we have written, left hand right hand minus this. It is compulsory. And after 2 also write here 3. It is compulsory. Now minus 5 is open point. It means it is not included here. Equality sign is not given. So it is open point. So indicate open point we use ring, empty ring. And 2 is closed point. So to represent 2, to indicate 2 is a closed point, draw a solid ring. Now all the real number between minus 5 and 2 are also the solution. So dark the number between these two endpoint. Dark it. Dark it properly. Sometimes for the examiner it is not easy to see this. Dark. So dark it properly. So this is the representation of solution set on graph. So this is the solution of second inequation. Now let us solve third inequation. Now in third inequation you can see one linear expression is compared with two constant. Here one linear expression is compared with two linear expression. This is also linear expression, this is also linear expression. That means here also a term of x is there, here also term of x is there. But here you can see this side it is constant and this is also constant. There is no term of x this side, there is no term of x this side. So to solve this type of inequation we have two methods. One method we can use same as that I have used in question number 2, but one advantage is there because these two, this side there is no x, this side there is no x, so another method is also there to solve this one. So minus 2 less equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less equal to 1 whole 5 by 6. Now we have to solve this inequation. This equation is looking similar to this inequation, but one difference is there. In this inequation, this is linear expression having x. This is also linear expression having x. But here in this equation, this is a constant, pure constant. This is also a pure constant. So we can solve this question easily by this method. So I will solve this question by two methods. The first method is, see, I will solve in this way. Minus 2 less equal to half minus 2x by 3. This method will be easy for you and it will be 6 1 is 6 5, 11 by 6. Now first step, remove the fraction. Remove the fraction. So here fraction is 2, here fraction is 3. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So multiply each term by 6. 2, 3 and 6. The LCM of 2, 3 and 6 will be 6. So to remove all this fraction, multiply each term by plus 6. So multiplying, let me write here, multiplying, for your convenience, multiplying each term by plus 6. So when it is multiplied by plus 6, it will be minus 12. Now sign of inequality will remain same because we are multiplying each term by positive number. Now when this is multiplied by 6, so 6 into 1 by 2, so 2 cancel, it will be 3 minus, multiply this by 6. If I multiply this by 6 like this, so it will be minus 12, it will be 2 3s are 3 and here 3 2s are, so it will be what? 3 2s are 6, so it will be 4x less equal to multiplied by 6 also 11. Is it clear to you? Okay, let me show one more step. Let me show one more step. Minus 2 into 6 less equal to 6 into 1 by 2 minus 6 into 2x by 3 less equal to 6 into 11 by 6. So it will be minus 12 less equal to 3 minus and 3 to the, so it will be 4x less equal to 11. I think you got it. Now then we have to remove this 3 from here. One by one we will shift all the numbers from this linear expression. So first we will shift this 3. So for removing this 3, what we will do, I will subtract here minus 3. If I will subtract here minus 3, clear, then this 3 will be cancelled. So right here subtracting 3. Subtracting 3 from each term, from each side. So it will be minus 12 minus 3, 3 minus 3 minus 4x and 11 minus 3. So sign of unity will remain same. When same number is added or subtracted from each side, sign of unity does not change. Now this 3 cancel, so it will be minus 15 less equal to minus 4x less equal to 8. Now we have to remove this minus 4. So for removing minus 4, what we will do, we will divide each term by minus 4. So dividing each term by minus 4. So minus 15 divided by minus 4, here it is minus 4x by minus 4 and here 8 by minus 4. Now of course sign of probability reverses according to the rule. So it will be minus minus cancel, 15 by 4, that is 3.75 greater equal to, it will be x greater equal to minus 2. Now what I have said, always in the interval this side should be smaller and this side should be greater. So my x is greater equal to minus 2, write in this way, x is greater equal to minus 2 and less equal to 3.75. Same meaning is here, both have same meaning, but in the interval we should write smaller number this side and greater number right side. So this is the solution. Now this is the solution. Now here write the solution set. Now solution set. So it will be x such that x is greater than minus 2 and less equal to 3.75, and right here replacement set also, x belongs to, in this question replacement set is set of natural number. So it will be now here we can write this solution set in roster form. Why? Because x replacement set is set of natural number, and we know that between two numbers there are finite number of natural numbers, so we can make the list of natural number between minus 2 and 3.75. So which natural numbers are there between minus 2 and 3.75? Of course first natural number 1, which lies between these two, 2 and 3. Now so we can write the solution in roster form. So what I have said already, that if it is possible to write the solution set in both the form, then always prefer roster form. So here if you leave the answer here only, then you may lose mark. So you should write up to here. Clear? Because here it is possible to write the solution in roster form. So I have solved this inequation by this method. Now another method is you can solve this inequation like this inequation. How? The second method I am discussing here, just I am giving hint. It is the combination of two linear equations, so separate it into linear equation. Minus 2 less equal to half minus 2x by 3, and from here 1 half minus 2x by 3 less equal to 1 whole 5 by 6. From the left side it is one inequation, from the right side it is another inequation. Now solve this inequation, here also solve this inequation, and take the common solution of these two. That means in the same way that I have solved question number 2. So I have discussed here 3 types of linear equation which will be given to you in the board examination. Now after this chapter, after this part, now you are able to solve a problem of exercise. So from the next class we will start solving problems given in your book Concise Mathematics class 10. So be ready with your book and copy, and we will start the solution.